ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਐਂਗਲ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਬੜਾ ਡੀਪਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਾਨਸਿਕਤਾ ਕੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਂ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਐਂਗਲ ਇਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਥਰਡ ਐਂਗਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਿੰਪਥੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਪ ਸਿੰਪਥੀ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਐਂਗਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਡੀਪਲੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਜੋ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਪਾਰਦਰਸ਼ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਸਭ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਰੱਖੀ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਉਹ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਪੁੱਛਗਿੱਛ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਸਾਰੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸੀਸੀਟੀਵੀ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲੈਬੋਰੇਟ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਸਾਥੀ ਵੀ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਟੈਕਨੀਕਲ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਔਨ ਸਪੌਟ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਰਿਵੀਲ ਕਰੇਗੀ। ਦੇਖੋ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਐਂਗਲ ਨੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ, ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਸਿੰਪਥੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਰਾਜਸੀ ਹੱਥ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਆਪ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਗੱਲ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਊਗੀ ਔਰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਟਰਾਂਸਪੇਰੈਂਟ ਇਹਦੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੰਕਲੂਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।
A day after the assassination attempt against former Deputy Chief Minister of Punjab, Sukhbir Singh Badal, it's all-out political war between the ruling Aam Aadmi Party on one side and the Shiromani Akali Dal plus former ally Bharatiya Janata Party on the other. It all began when the Amritsar Commissioner of Police made a statement to the media where he said all angles to this assassination attempt will be probed, including allegations that this could have been staged to gain sympathy for Sukhbir Singh Badal. Now, politically speaking, there have been rumours all of yesterday since morning. There were these allegations being made that because Sukhbir Singh Badal and the Shiromani Akali Dal were facing punishment, religious punishment for their government's role in the Beadbi matter, in the sacrilege matter, therefore to gain sympathy was this assassination attempt orchestrated. But till the Commissioner of Police himself said this to the media, it was only a rumour. Once he said that the police will investigate this as well, Shiromani Akali Dal attacked the Aam Aadmi Party government and the Punjab police on the matter. 2-3 points that Shiromani Akali Dal is pointing out. A, that the assassin in the past also has said that he's unhappy with the Badals, he's unhappy with the Shiromani Akali Dal government. In July, he had put up a Facebook post in which he said that no amount of apology or no amount of punishment could wash off the sins of the Badals and their government because of the role that they had played in the sacrilege incidents that had happened. So the Shiromani Akali Dal's argument was that this man was clearly anti-Badal and therefore the allegation that there was any kind of understanding between the Badals or the Shiromani Akali Dal and Narendra Singh Chauhan is preposterous. The second question that is being asked is whether the Punjab police did enough to protect Sukhbir Singh Badal. Number of questions being asked. Number one, the shooter was seen on the Golden Temple premises a day before the assassination attempt as well. Now that was the first day that Sukhbir Singh Badal was also at the Golden Temple premises as part of the punishment that had been given to him. He had to wear the Sevadar's uniform and be at the gate of the Golden Temple wearing that placard. So when the assassin reached the Golden Temple premises, for the first day, that was also when Sukhbir Singh Badal was present there. So was he trying to attempt this assassination a day earlier also? Was he carrying out recce? Police seems to suggest that he was acting as a lone wolf. But the number of questions are being asked by experts. First thing is, how did he procure the 9mm weapon? The automatic pistol that he was, trying to use to hit out at Sukhbir Badal. How did he procure that? Because it is not available off the shelf here in India. It is used by the forces and it is also often something that Pakistan might want to smuggle into India. Now, BSF data suggests that in the last 1 year or so, at least 37 small arms and ammunitions have been smuggled into India, many of them dropped by drones. There's also a more than 60% increase in the total number of drone dropping incidents of arms and ammunition. So because Chauhan has had a link with Babar Khalsa International, he's earlier also been to Pakistan. Therefore, the question is being asked whether police should focus on who really was helping Chauhar get this small arm, if there is an ISI angle, if it was an attempt by Pakistan to carry out this assassination attempt. Because if he had succeeded, and even if Mr. Badal would not have been hit, the fact is that at the point that this incident happened, there were a lot of devotees who were inside the Golden Temple premises. Many are seen entering the gate where Sukhbir Badal was sitting, where this incident happened, and the bullet was fired. It hit the wall and it just recorded off of the wall there. So then was an attempt being made to disturb the peace, disturb the law and order situation of Punjab, of Amritsar? That's also a question that experts say police must ask. Already, Sukhbir Singh Badal's brother-in-law, Mr. Majithia, has raised a lot of questions about police response. The Amritsar Commissioner of Police said that the incident was averted because of quick thinking of the Punjab police. But Mr. Majithia said that actually it was the personal security officer who's like a family confidant of the Badals. It is he wearing a red turban who's seen risking his life and tackling the assassin. Questions are being asked that why more steps were not taken to ensure that no such incident happened. So in this back and forth, the political mudslinging that is happening, the security grid is worried about the security of Golden Temple, and because Punjab is a border state, what ramifications this would have on the overall law and order situation of the state. Sukhbir Badal, meanwhile, continues with his religious punishment. On day 3 of the punishment, he went to Anandpur Sahib. Now the challenge before Punjab police is to ensure that if this is part of a conspiracy, if Chauhar was not acting alone, then to ensure that a repeat of such an incident does not happen as Badal travels to all the places that he has been asked to go and give his seva as part of the punishment.